So this is the cabin filter. I got this from Euro Car Parts. You can see the number there. It was £16.50, including the VAT. And we'll get on to fitting that now. So the first thing we're going to do is open the passenger glove box. And then what we're going to do is squeeze in them sides inwards. And the box will drop. And you'll hear... Mine's already disconnected, but you'll hear this ping off. Now this is the easy down for the glove box. We'll put that back in later. So that comes off here, and it's on that black string, and it's the little white tab there. Now the cabin filter is up there in a compartment, so I'll show you that now. So we have the glove box down. Just going to go and show you in that gap, and your cabin filter is in there. So this side is just a lock, so don't worry about that side. This side, let me get some light in there. You can see here that there is a pinch mechanism. So you pinch that together and pull, and the door comes off, and then your cabin filter's in there. So that's literally, take your cabin filter out. So here you can see the difference between the old and the new filter. The old one, bear in mind my truck has been serviced before and it's only on 20,000 miles. So my truck would have been serviced about 8,000 miles ago. And it did have a new cabin filter. That is pretty grim. There's all sorts of crap in there. And this, to me, I don't know whether this is normal, but this black looks potentially mouldy. I don't know, it doesn't smell of mould, but it is grim. Now you'll notice on the side there is an airflow direction. Same on the new one. Now this, when it goes in upside down like so. The airflow goes from the bottom through this and up. So we'll go and put that in now. So again, this is just the reverse of before. Don't forget your airflow label pointing up, and it goes in like so, and it just sits in place. Pinch clip. Put this end in first with the locking tab. That just slots in, and it then clips into place. And that is a replacement filter done. We just need to get the retaining bracket back on this side, which is again this bracket here. Now this little clip, it's quite fiddly. And it's not the easiest thing for me to video. In fact, I can't video it from this side because it is in the dash. So what I'm going to do is, you're not going to get it just by clipping it on. The string isn't long enough. That's max. So what you need to do is push this back up. It will just need popping back in by pushing the sides in again, just like that. What I'm going to do is go and pop it back up at the same time as trapping my arm in between here and here so I can fix it in. Now this will bend and it will return to shape, so don't worry about that. So like that, for instance. I'm just going to have a go at that now. This might take me a few attempts. And now, after 2 to 3 to 10 attempts, I've now got a glove box that works again on the easy down string, and that's it. Cabin filter completed. So again, thank you for watching. If this helped you out in any way, please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe please. There's a whole raft of Ranger servicing videos coming soon. This was just the easiest one, the first one to do. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you, bye.